Imagine someone locks you in a room. You could survive weeks without food. You could even survive days without water. But take away one thing, oxygen, and your body starts a countdown measured in minutes. Why is oxygen so incredibly important? Why can't your body simply wait like it does with food? The answer begins inside your cells. Almost every cell in your body is powered by tiny structures called mitochondria, often nicknamed the powerhouses of the cell. They use oxygen to convert food into a molecule called ATP, your body's universal energy currency. Without oxygen, ATP production collapses by more than 90%, according to standard biochemistry. Food provides the fuel, but oxygen is what allows that fuel to actually release its energy. Your brain is especially vulnerable. Although it weighs only about 2% of your body, it consumes roughly 20% of your oxygen while you're awake. Unlike muscles, the brain stores almost no oxygen or glucose. Research summarized in Guyton and Hall textbook of medical physiology explains that after only a few minutes without oxygen, neurons begin suffering irreversible damage. That's why drowning, choking, or cardiac arrest become life-threatening so quickly. Not because your lungs fail first, but because your brain runs out of energy. So why didn't evolution invent a backup system? Because oxygen is incredibly efficient. Billions of years ago, during what's known as the Great Oxidation event, organisms that learned to use oxygen could extract far more energy from food than those relying only on anaerobic metabolism. That energy advantage eventually helped power complex animals, including us. Oxygen made intelligence possible, but it also made us completely dependent on every breath. The next breath you take doesn't just keep you alive, it powers trillions of chemical reactions happening every second inside your body. Every thought, every heartbeat, every movement depends on oxygen. We often think food gives us life. In reality, oxygen is what unlocks life's energy.